Hey everybody, I'm going to go through with you the steps that it's going to take for you to get iOS devices set up with BandLab. Here we go. First thing you're going to do is going to take the Pages tab of Canvas and go get to the Google Drive folder that has Happier in it, or for Band High Hopes. Once you find that folder, then you're going to click on the dots and download it to your device. On an iOS device, it looks like this. One neat feature that I figured out was you can open up the file or copy it to BandLab, and that's really cool because it saves you a couple steps of saving and then trying to find it later. So in this case, I opened it up in BandLab. The next part I'm going through here with you is the deleting of tracks and adding of tracks. I also go through and show how to get effects on your voice. And while that's fun and all, I would say err on the side of conservative, which means don't go with really heavy reverb on your voice. It might make things sound weird when we get everybody's voices mixed together. So instead, just focus on getting a more flat sound, so that you're just recording in your room with no special effects. If you add something, just do light.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Lately,
The next part is to actually record. And one thing that I demonstrate here is getting your count in correct. You have to go to settings and click the count in button. And what you'll notice is that the metronome is ringing while this happens, and that metronome is really not fun. So click off the metronome and it'll go away. Then you record and take your best tracks and then move forward.
lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes, when we see. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier.
You can actually drop in and record further along in the song as you go ahead. So if you mess up a section, you can stop and record it again just on that one particular part. That's a pretty handy feature of this program. This is how music producers create flawless tracks, and this is how you're going to get your flawless track.
When the morning comes.
I now go through the process of naming your project, saving it, and then taking your file and sending it to me via email. You can also go into Canvas and upload this track into Canvas. There's a file submission area. It doesn't matter to me, email or Canvas, or even Google Drive, and then share with me the file over Google Drive. Any way you want to do it, just make sure you tell me when you do it, because I'm not a mind reader. Yeah. Hi, guys. This last part is just me navigating my phone. I'm gonna basically just figure out how to find the file within my phone and then send it. I scroll all the way to the bottom and find track 2, click it, and then I go to email it. Thanks so much for your time today, and I hope you have a lot of fun recording. Bye.
Lately, I've been.
I didn't want it, I didn't need it.